Hi, my name is Mitchell. I welcome you to SoftMari YouTube channel for web development step-by-step interactive learning hands-on experience tutorial number 1. Today we're going to answer the biggest question that web developer and the question is how to start writing a website. The purpose of this channel is to provide you with a step-by-step web development platform, and it is intended for individuals who do not have the opportunities to attend the physical classes. We're going to provide you with a step-by-step interactive platform. Let's go on and answer this question now. How to start writing a website is the biggest question that goes into the mind of the beginners for web development. The first thing that you need to start writing the website is a computer, and you need to have a text editor. A text editor is a software that is used to write the website. There are different types of text editors: Notepad++, Notepad, which comes with the computer, Sublime, and many other text editors that you can use to develop the website. But in this tutorial, the text editor that we are going to use is Notepad++. I recommend using Notepad++ or Sublime or other text editors apart from Notepad, because these are very good text editors, especially if you are writing 1,000 lines of code in your website. So what you need to do now is that when you have a computer, and then you need to download the text editor. A text editor is an open source software that you can download from the internet. What you just need to do is to open the web browser, and once you open the web browser, you just need to type Notepad++, and once there, and then select your preferred version. Select Notepad++ 7.82, whichever one you want, and then press download. Once you download your Notepad++ and install it, all it to do now is to open it. And when you open your Notepad++, this is how the Notepad++ look like. This is where we write the CSS. This is the software that we are going to use to write CSS, HTML, PHP, and our JavaScript. This is the end of tutorial number 1, how to start writing the website and what you need to have to start writing the website. Please share these videos to all those who want to learn the website from the scratch. Thank you for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel.